Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to dump and restore database in MySQL on Rock Linux 8.6. MySQL is a relational database management system developed by Oracle. It is based on structured query language that provides numerous Unix utilities in a single executable file.
First, I am going to show the install version of OS. This is Oracle Linux 8.6. Now I am going to log in MySQL without password. Hit enter. This is MySQL shell. Now I am going to list the databases. Here you can see this is the database. This is the default database. This is the database which I created. Now I am going to take dump of this database so that I will copy the database name. Now exit from the shell. Now I am going to take the dump. Now I'm going to take the dump in temp location, so that cd temp here. Now I'm going to run the command mysql dump, then mention the database name. This is the symbol for the dump. Now I'm going to give the dump database name. Now I'm going to mention the name which I am going to save the database by .sql file. Now hit enter. It will take some time to take the dump. The dump is successfully created. Now I'm going to list the file. Here you can see this is the dump which I take. Now I'm going to log in MySQL. Now check the database. This is the database. Now I'm going to drop the database by using drop command. Drop database name, hit enter. The database has been dropped. Once again I'm going to list the databases. Here you can see now there is no database. Now I'm going to create the database by the name of sample. Sample, hit enter. Now list the database. This is the database which I created. Just copy this. Now I'm going to restore the test database in the db sample, so that exit. Now list the file. The command to restore is mysql, mention the database name. This is the database name. This is a symbol to restore the database. Mention the database file. This is the file which I am going to replace in the db. Now hit enter. It will take some time to restore the db. The db restore is depends upon the db size. Here you can see the restore has been completed. Now I am going to log in MySQL. Now list the databases. Now use the database. the database has been changed. Now I am going to list the tables. Here you can see the restored file are available here. Now I am going to check the tables values. Here you can see the tables are available here. By this, the dump and restore in MySQL on Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.